Good day everyone, my name is Avinash Mahadev. I would like to welcome you to my tutorial on installing and configuring Microsoft Exchange Server 2010. I am using Oracle VM VirtualBox to create two servers that I will be using for the installation. One is configured already with Active Directory domain services as well as DNS. And the other is a BS system I will be using for the Exchange install. As you can see here, this is our first server, DNS server install and Active Directory domain services install. And this is our Exchange server machine that we'll be using for the install. And let us begin. Prior to the installation, you will need to install 2007 Office System Converter, Microsoft Filter Pack, which can be found on their website. And you will download this for your machine and install it. As you know, Exchange Server only comes in 64-bit edition, so you will download the 64-bit edition of the exe and install this filter pack. I have already installed this software, so I will not be doing this again. And let us begin. Another prerequisite that needs to be done is some changes made to the net TCP port sharing service, which can be found by start run startup type manual. Changes to automatic. OK, and there we go. The service we just made the configurations to is for the client access server role. The filter pack will handle the hub and mailbox server role. We go to our PowerShell, start all programs, accessories, Windows PowerShell. I already have my PowerShell up and running with my commands to show you, and here it is. First command we ran, import -module space server manager. Second command we ran, add -windows feature spacenet framework, and the following commands is as follows. After net-framework, comma rsat-adds, ran successfully. After that, web server ran successfully. After web server, web-net-ext, successful. After web-basic-auth, successful. After web-windows-auth, successful. After that, web-metabase ran successfully. Next command, comma, web-lgcy-mgmt-console. Success was accomplished. Next command, was-process-model, ran successfully as well. Next command, rsat-web server, ran successfully. Next command, web-isapi-ext, ran successfully. After that command, web-digest-auth, successfully. After that command, web-dyn-compression, successfully run. Next command, net-http-activation, ran successfully. Next command after that was rpc-over-http-proxy, and that was our last command. Now we restart.